everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Solutions. Today I will be showing you how to update an iPhone. Pretty much almost all the iPhones, the updating steps are the same. In this video I will be using an iPhone 12 Pro Max. The steps are really simple. If you're a first time iPhone user, these are the steps. The first step is to connect the phone to a Wi-Fi network. Once the phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, the second step is to connect it to a charger. The phone needs to be connected to a charger. After you do that, the third step is to go into settings. After you go into settings, you go into the option which says General. Tap on that. Once you go into General, you will see Software Update. Tap on that. Here, you will see the software update, the screen. It will tell you what version it is. It will tell you the update that it will be doing, what it would be fixing, what it would be changing, all of that. Now, I have already downloaded the whole software, so that's the reason it comes up with install now. What you would see is, if it is not installed on your phone, what you would see is download. Once you tap the download, it takes a few minutes for it to download depending on your Wi-Fi connection. So mine is already downloaded and I just have to tap on install now. So I do that. It says verifying update. And after that, the screen may go blank with the Apple logo, and it will show that it is updating. So it should be coming up now. All right, there you go, the Apple logo. So it's restarting. Okay, so there you see the Apple logo and it's updating. This may take a few minutes as well. So as long as it's updating, the line is moving ahead, it's fine, it's updating. After a few minutes, it will go back to the main screen and you're done.